here, where it's always clear and way too hot to snow. Who's bad or good, he'll worry about another day. He'll see who's sleeping when he gets back home. His bag is full but not of things to give away, like a giant beach towel and some copper tones. Trying to pick something to wear that isn't red. He shaves his beard and Rudolph hides the sleigh. He won't worry about the letters that he hasn't read. Now instead he's sending postcards from his holiday. Who's been naughty, who's been nice, they'll make the list. He'd be remiss to let this Christmas thing get out of hand. His helpers help themselves and Santa won't be missed, and they'd insist he really should be working on his tan. It won't be long till kids are climbing on his knee, asking for their robots and their dolls. They'll try to catch him working round their Christmas tree to see if he's the same one taking pictures